Today we're going to attempt to change this tire. Yep, we're back. Hold on, wait, let me restart. We're back with this 1976 Honda cj360, and today I just got home from work, new job, great, fantastic. It's sun is setting, but I think I might have enough time to change this tire, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna be reusing the tube, and we're gonna get this tire off, and I will hopefully have this turn into a new tire soon. So yeah. So actually all you've got to do is take this bolt out, which has you can see it's got little ears on it to hold the bolt in place. You've just got to tap those out with a screwdriver, pry them out of place, and then this comes out, and then you can take these nuts off. I'm going to spray them down with some PB Blaster to make sure they don't chew up the threads. And then when you get the other side out as well, the wheel should drop, and you should be able to take the whole brake assembly out, and then your wheel should come off. All right, so magically the whole system here is taken apart, and now we should be able to, oh no, I might have to do this off camera. You should be able to just take this whole thing out because this has got the shoes. So I'm gonna try to take this whole thing out. So I was wrong, triple wrong, quadruple wrong. You don't have to take these off. You don't have to do any of this. You do have to take this off, but all you have to do is loosen these, and then you can unscrew this. That's why it's threaded. I was like, why is this threaded? You get an adjustable wrench, you unscrew this, and then the wheel should come off. Okay, so I'm just going back and forth, and I finally figured it out. You've got to, this is that, and you get a wrench on that, and then spin this out. Well, this is held with a screwdriver. You can see that hole there. You just put a screwdriver in there to hold it, and now this should come out just like that. See, now it's out. Now I can take it out completely. The tire is off. Wow, magic. I'm keeping this on. This just pulls out. I thought this twisted off, but it doesn't. This just pulls out and allows the brakes, which, by the way, are in fantastic shape, a lot of life left, to just come off. So now we can take the air out, and then we can start getting this off. So still in good shape. Got my soapy water and the cat. Well, that is the old tube, and I'm thinking about replacing it. And this is a tire. So now I can just take the back bead off and maybe put that back in. Where'd the tire go? Well, I don't know, but here's the new tire. Also, by the way, check out how loose, here's a loose one. Check out how loose that spoke is. Completely loose. And look at that one. I mean, about to like fall out. So I'm gonna just, I don't have a torque wrench for these. I don't have a spoke wrench, but I'm just gonna tighten those up a little bit and make sure they don't fall out. And I did what I did on the rear tire, put some electrical tape as rim tape. Seems to work good on the rear tire, so yeah. Magic. Tube is in too. Now I just gotta pop the top bead on. All right, now the question is, did I pinch the tube in there? Hopefully not. Felt like I did maybe a couple times, but we'll see when we air it up. So let's get the airing going in it. Gotta make sure it doesn't explode. Pretty good. I hear no leaks. I see see a real nice tire. Is it a little straight? I think so. So now we're gonna grease this up. Well, we're gonna clean it and then grease it up, and then it's gonna go in that way. The threads are coming out in the front, and then we're gonna put everything back together. And check it out, it is now put back together. It's probably 2 or 3 days later. I totally forgot to record the final part of this video, but we have now a trail ready bike, just about, except for the suspension. You know, you're gonna probably bottom out, whatever, right? We've got cool tires. That's all that matters, honestly. It looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Check that out. All back together, brakes work, and nothing left to do but to find a trail to actually ride this on. So I am working for the next couple weekends, so not sure when I'm going to be able to make it up to the property, but I have took this around the block once or twice, and it's doing fantastic. So I know that it's trail ready, you know, like I said, other than the suspension, but we'll get there. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Quick, simple, easy front tire change, and works great. Maybe I'd love to here, you know what, I'll let you guys hear it start. So we'll see if it starts first kick. Blowing exhaust right into the garage. Wow, that seat's hot. I got a Christmas cat shirt on because why not? Let's see if it just starts. I'm not even gonna open the petcock. See if it starts. Well, I might have to go for a ride now.